Some intellectuals and journalists have always sided completely with the liberals, Western countries, especially the Scandinavian countries, France, or the Asian and Eastern European countries under the former Soviet Union and its regime, the military and the establishment. And these people have always used their talents to protect the liberal values based on atheistism and immorality. And these are the people who have been collecting interests from the few but so-called liberals, countries and societies, based on immorality, atheistic, and the establishment. And when they fled their countries, like politicians, retired soldiers, bureaucrats, religious cult leaders and their followers, all of them, in the same countries, US, Britain, Canada, took refuge in among them. Those who spoke of the socialist system neither took refuge in the Soviet Union, Venezuela, Cuba, nor did they become refugees in non-socialist and Marxist countries like Argentina, Brazil, Greece, etc. Now let the people decide for themselves that these hypocritical so-called progressives and liberals, and religious cults leaders, under the guise of their Islamic names, are poisoning the minds of Muslims in their Muslim-populated countries, and running away from people and letting the people alone at their bad times. Some of those get killed in their personal ideological wars, and people start calling them a patriotic martyr, and some settle in their real favorite societies in the name of refugees. This is the story of Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan and similar Muslim and third and fourth world countries. If people change their choice publicly, the conditions of people and their countries will change. Zia.